like to show you guys how we take our old storage containers and turn them into highly productive chicken and duck waterers. With one easy modification, you're going to be able to turn your standard storage container into a long-term waterer for your birds so that you can avoid having to do the daily watering chore. If we need to go on an overnight trip or we need to go out of town for a brief period of time, we don't need to call on the farmhand because we know our chickens and our ducks are well hydrated. The easy modification is to take one of the 3-inch hole saws that you can get for your drills and to simply add 2 to 4 holes on the side of your storage container. This is the same hole saw we use to create our automatic feeders for our chickens and the ducks. The more birds you have, the more access holes you probably want in order to give multiple chickens a turn getting a drink or multiple ducks getting a drink as well. I like to get these holes as high up as possible because that means more volume of water to be held, but I do want to leave at least 1 inch or 1.5 inches of material below the rim of the Tupperware container or the storage container where the lid would fit so that there's some added strength there, especially when it gets cold outside and the tubs start to get a little on the brittle side. Now, making sure you have a good lid that fits and clicks into place is crucial for this system because that is what helps keep your water clean from chicken poop, from debris, and from algae growth. An easy modification for young birds is to use cinder blocks or bricks that they can hop up on and then access that watering hole. This is a super simple, super easy modification, and it can hold as much water as you want. It just depends on the size storage container that you want to use. We use 20 to 30 gallon size storage containers because the help that I have in managing my chickens don't have enough strength to flip over a big 55 gallon storage container. And I want to keep my help, so I want to give them every advantage they can have. So give this a try because your chickens and your ducks are going to thank you. Hello everybody, this is Rooster. And Rooster wants to thank you for watching, and we hope that we've earned your subscription here on the Grateful Ambition Homestead.